Today we're making aguas frescas, mostly known as fresh waters. Aguas frescas are non-alcoholic beverages made from fruit, cereals, flowers, and seeds. We have a lot of flavors, but I picked the three most common ones: horchata, jamaica, and tamarindo. Let's start with the horchata water. I'm going to focus just on the Mexican one because a lot of countries make them different. In Mexico, we have rice, coconut, and melon horchata, which is made from the ground melon seeds. Now you learned something new. Rice horchata is the most common variety. Once was homemade, but it's so popular that now it's available ready to drink, in powder, or in a thick paste. And most of the time, it contains milk. That's why we're making homemade vegan horchata. It is very easy, delicious, and you will not notice the difference in taste. Let's start with the most important step.
You're going to measure 2 cups of white rice. Rinse it with water until the water runs clear. In a deep bowl or a jar, add the white rice and 2 cups of drinking water. Let it soak overnight.
I let the rice soak in drinking water overnight, but if you're in a rush, an hour should be good. Now let's check the rest of the ingredients.
I like to have all the ingredients ready to go. It makes the job easier. And just a quick reminder, all the ingredients are down below in the description. This is the easiest step. Just add everything in the blender. I don't know about you, but I like to add a couple of cinnamon sticks. And when it comes to sugar, 1 tablespoon is enough for me. But hey, feel free to add sugar to your liking. With the help of a funnel and a baby strainer, I will strain the horchata and reserve it in the fridge. Either cold or hot, horchata has a creamy and cinnamon unique flavor. And it's ready. Just remember to stir the horchata because it settles.
It was very easy and delicious. Now let's recap. Horchata can be creamy without containing milk or cream, even though I added 1 cup of almond milk to enhance the flavors. There is no right or wrong to make horchata. Most of the time it's a cold beverage, but you can drink it hot as well. Anyway, stay tuned because in the next video I'll show you how to make hibiscus water, mostly known as agua de Jamaica. That's all for today. I'll see you until the next one.